Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to another video. So as promised in my last tutorial, I told you guys I was going to show you how I get a flawless face using concealers only. So yeah, this is a new foundation routine. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's just get right into the video. So I'm going in first with this Milani Secret Cover Concealer, and this one is my exact skin shade. This is number 6. I'm just blending that all over my face with a beauty blender, and I kind of like these concealers because they look just like skin, as I said in one of my previous tutorials. It gives you a very nice natural look. You don't have to worry too much about it looking cakey, but it still gives you coverage because you can build it up. So I like these concealers, and also they're very inexpensive, so that's definitely a quality that I also do like. I'm just going to blend that all over my face, and then I'm going in with a lighter shade, and this one is in number 3. The other one was in number 6. I'm using number 3 to highlight, and I'm just placing this where I normally highlight, under my eyes, bridge of my nose, above my lips, and also forehead and my chin. And yeah, I'm just blending this all over those areas. It's going to give me a really nice lift, but at the same time it's not going to look too highlighted. So I will go in with another concealer after I finish blending this out. After I finish blending this out, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Fawn, and that's my highlighting shade. And I'm just going to take that all over the areas where I just highlighted. This concealer is a lighter consistency, so it is going to blend out easier, and it's also going to give me more of a brighter look, and that's what I want when it comes down to the highlighting. So that's why I put that one on top. So I'm using the pointy side of my beauty blender just to blend that into the skin as well, so that it's nice and blended. I'm just going to flip the beauty blender around and use the remainder of the foundation to blend out the concealer as well. So now it's time to contour, and I'm using this cream concealer stick from FOF. It's a real cheapie. I've had this for a long time, but I'm just using that to contour my face. I love the fact that it has a nice reddish undertone, which is perfect for a nice subtle contour. So I'm using, of course, my beauty blender to just blend that out as well. I love how soft this is. It's very, very soft. Now, of course, I'm just setting my entire face with a powder that is my shade. I think I reached for my Iman Earth Medium. Yeah, I just blended that all over my skin before I went in with my highlighting powder. And I'm using this pressed powder from Milani also in Medium Tan, I think it's called. Yeah, all the products that I use will be listed in the description bar below, guys. So I'm using this to set the highlighted areas. Using a pressed powder for setting the cream is so awesome, guys. Like, I've discovered this a little while back, and I just keep on doing it, especially for this foundation routine. It's really going to set the cream products into place real nice because it's so dense. Yeah, so I'm just applying that to all the areas where I just highlighted. I'm not gonna really bake. I'm just gonna dust away that, and I won't need to set my face again because I already set it. So yeah. Oh yeah, so I'm going in with my Nika K palette, this palette that I've just recently bought, and I'm going to set the contour areas by just mixing those two colors. I use the beauty blender to set the contoured areas in place, and I really love using the beauty blender to do this now with powders because you get a really good payoff of the product. Yeah guys, so that's basically it for this foundation routine. Nothing very difficult. It's very simple. You guys already know I have this tutorial posted on my channel already. The link will be in the description bar below as well as on the screen right now. Follow my Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. And my question of the day is, what is your favorite hairstyle? Tell me in the comment section below. Love you guys so much. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Remember, new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Bye.